Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have something truly special to share with you. If you are someone who loves elegance, comfort, and that little touch of girly charm in your footwear, you are going to fall in love with these gorgeous Boraker Chunky heel sandals. Perfect for parties, dinners, wedding, or even a casual outing where you want to look polished. These sandals are designed to make you shine. So let's dive right into the details, styling tips, and everything you need to know about these chic sandals. Just take a look at them. Are not they adorable? The highlights of these sandals is of course the delicate bow anchor right at the front. It adds the extra feminine touch, a perfect blend of elegance and playfulness. They feature a chunky heel designs which give you that elevated, confident posture while keeping things super comfortable. Unlike these chunky heels give your feet proper balance, which means you can actually walk and dance without worrying about slipping or straining your ankles. These sandals are made with smooth, high quality materials that not only look stylish but also feel soft against the skin. The straps are designed to hold your feet securely without digging in, so you can wear them for or without discomfort. The padded insole give that an extra cushion, making it perfect for long event where you will be on your feet. Whether it is a wedding, a birthday party, or even a dinner date, these sandals give you both style and comfort. And trust me, that's not easy to find in heels. Now let's talk about some versatility. The Bodecker heel sandal can instantly elevate almost any outfit. You can pair these heels with cute dress for a sweet and feminine look. Style them with skinny jeans and a flowy blouse for a casual yet elegant vibe. Or wear them with a maxi dress for that dreamy romantic touch. The bow detailing makes them stand out. It's feel like wearing an accessory on your shoes. You don't even need to over exercise your outfit because the sandals are ready at an extra sparkle. These sandals are perfect choice for so many occasions. Imagine walking into a wedding party, your outfit on point and your heels catching just the right attention. Or maybe a colleague farewell party where you want to look graceful yet stay comfortable while dancing with your friends. Even for formal dinner, these sandals strikes the perfect balance between chic and classy. And here's the best part, since they are chunky heel, they are beginners friendly. If you are someone who's not too used to wearing heels, these are a great way to start. Footwear is more than just an accessory, it confidence posture. When you put on these sandals, you will notice how they instantly improve your posture and give you that graceful walk. The bow decker adds charm while the sturdy heels give you the confidence to move around freely. It's that perfect mix of beauty and particularity to keep your bow decker chunky heel sandals looking brand new. Always store them in dust bags or box when not in use. So if you are looking for footwear that combines style, comfort and that perfect touch of elegance, the Girls Bodacker chunky heel sandals are definitely a must have for your collection. The girly chic, versatile and absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy these reviews and subscribe for more fashion finds. Drop a comment below and let me know how you would style these sandals. I would love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.